You can save thousands of dollars on your next solar install, but this strategy only works if you have a large roof. A roof where there's plenty of room, where you're not limited by the type of panels that you have to put on the roof. Let me explain. I've been in the solar business for the last 10 years, and when I first started selling solar, panels would make a panel that was 5.5 feet long and 3.5 feet wide would average about 270 watts per panel. So as the years went by, we would get more watts per panel. So currently, as I'm recording this, you can get solar panels that generate about 350, 450, even up to 600 watts per panel. So that's great because clients that didn't have enough space on the roof back 10 years ago, that limited roof is now absolutely fine to generate all the power needs for that home. So once you've figured out which companies, or you have a short list of maybe 3 to 5 solar companies that you feel like are quality companies in your area, and I'm going to put a link in the video, the end of the video, so you can choose the right solar installer. Let's assume you're having conversations with 3 different installers in regards to price. The one question you can ask that can save you thousands of dollars if you have a big roof is this: do you have a solar panel with last year's technology, but you're overstocked? Because there are solar companies out there that might have a panel from last year that no one really wants to buy, and instead of that panel being 450 watts, it's only 410 watts, but you have plenty of room on your roof, so you're not really worried about how many. It doesn't really make a difference to you whether you have 28 panels or 34 panels on your roof. It's the same price. So you can go to that company and say, do you have any panels that are last year's technology that have a 25-year warranty that you can give me at a deeply discounted rate? Because I can tell you, in the last 10 years, every once in a while, we've been overstocked with panels, and I would call my client base, or my potential clients, people who had been like on the fence, hadn't bought solar yet, and it would be a situation where using the latest and greatest panels, maybe the system was $22,000, but with the panels from last year, it was only like 18 grand to get that system done. And because I had a ton of room on my roof, like if you have a ton of room on your roof, you really don't care. So I'm going to put a link in the description here in regards to choosing the best supplier. But if you call these folks, you might be surprised. There might be a company out there that can literally knock $4,000, $5,000, maybe $6,000 or $7,000 off the price of your rooftop solar installed, just because they're using panels from last year, which are perfectly fine, by the way. The modern panels are black on black. They all have a 25-year warranty, and frankly, solar panels have a failure rate of less than 1 in 100,000 panels. So if you get solar now, it's going to go on your roof. It's going to last 30 years. You don't got to worry about it. I hope that helps. Have a blessed day.